You're back with Hot Stocks. We're discussing the life insurance industry. Next up, Liberty Holdings, wealth management group established by Donald Gordon, linked to the Standard Bank Group though in more recent years, active in life insurance, health-related insurance, investment management, retirement products, the whole usual suite of stuff. Based in Braamfontein in Johannesburg, has a market cap of 32.3 billion rand, price-to-earnings ratio of only 7.9, looks quite low, dividend yield of around 4%. Wilhelm, this is Bruce Hemphill's show. Had a couple of wobbly years in recent years, but does generally now seem to be increasing the quality of its business. It's ironed out some problems with persistency of life policies and so on. Are you similarly positive about this one? What's your overall sense?
Liberty has really had its lunch eaten by the likes of Discovery and to some extent Momentum over the past decade or so. So it really hasn't managed to defend its niche that it used to have in the high income market as well as one would have hoped they could. So we don't see any reason why they'll suddenly manage to revert that situation back to where they were. So we're not particularly enamored of the business and the strategy they're following. We don't see how they get back to their former glory, really.
And what about the tie-up with Standard Bank? I know the bank assurance thing is sort of long gone, but does that not generate any kind of business for them? That's the first question. The other one is, what about StanLib? I mean, they own the whole of it. I know StanLib is a competitor of you guys, but what do you think of them as an asset manager and of their margins going forward?
Well, in terms of StanLib, they had a tough time during the global financial crisis in 2008, 2009. They've managed to make some of that ground back, but they certainly haven't been able to emulate the kind of performance one has seen from Coronation or the like in terms of gathering assets and growing profits. So again, we're not quite sure that the model of an asset management firm owned by a financial services conglomerate is really optimal. I think when one looks at the ownership structure of asset managers, the ones who tend to do best are the ones who are independent, as is a Coronation or the like. So not really convinced about the strategy there either, really.
Okay, they do have some initiatives though, that frank.net and some of the other sort of online marketing initiatives, and I know they've revitalized their sales force. But I guess, as you say, it's only a question of how good you are iteratively and what kind of business you can write going forward. So am I getting the sense that you're leaning towards not hot on this one?
Yeah, I think you're getting the right sense there.
Okay, I'll go with not hot as well.